Hey guys, welcome to this intro beginning tutorial on how to use Unreal Engine. Also using Gen AI plugin, the CreatelexGenAI plugin. This is a completely full course tutorial on how to get into Unreal Engine. My name is Alex. I've been using Unreal Engine for about a couple of years. I think past over 10 years. I was using Unreal Engine when it started at 3. So now we're at 5. So it's been some time, but worked on games, worked on tools, built several video games and platforms from mobile to desktop to virtual reality to Vision Pro and all of that. So I wanted to get this course. I'm excited about this because this is something that I've been getting a request on from the current customers that use um, CreatelexGenAI software for their production and people that want to vibe code video games. So I want to walk through this, and this is going to be completely, um, free. And we just want to make sure we provide this, drop this videos every week or so, if I can keep up with it, and then we'll go from there. But we're going to use most of the official document from Unreal Engine, so that way we are up to date with their standards and we can dive into blueprints and level design and stuff that can speed up your development process if you just want to vibe code too as well. It's all going to be included. And there's a separate video if you haven't signed up and subscribe to Unreal Engine AI platform. You can always go to createlex.com and get that set up. But there's a separate video for that once you log in and sign up. So what I did is that I have a uh, cursor open as an MTC for Createlix. You can go ahead and once you subscribe, you can download this free plugin and this will get you all set up and running your MCP server here. I think I have it here, and right now it's currently running and started. So you can hit stop once everything is verified. And that's like I said, that's a separate video that's um, inside the Createlix platform, so that way you can get set up. And here we have Unreal Engine. I'm currently using 5.7.1, which is the latest at the time. And we're going to go up and create a project. And we're going to follow the Unreal Engine guidelines. So that way we're like basically sticking to the format. And this will give us a good depth and level and knowing the editor and getting used to it. Um, it's pretty cool and interactive. Like I said, I've been using Unreal Engine since 3. And it's gotten really good in terms of documentation. So this is something I totally recommend people to get into once they start and they want to make video games. Now, once I create the project, you'll see that it says getting started, and you'll want to click here where it says Introduction to Unreal Engine tutorial. We're going to be following these tutorials and step by step getting advanced, and also I'll be showing you some technique what we can use with the CreatelexGen uh, plugin. That way we can, you know, populate and have an AI help us out when we're stuck or we need things to get done with blueprint generation, things like that. So pretty excited. So once we get here, we're going to click this um, and it's going to load our project. And keep in mind, I'm going to hit the launch. You see it creating the project. And this is going to take, I do admit that Unreal Engine it's gotten optimized better over the years. So uh, I really, enjoy seeing the improvements, especially with some of the open communities that have been contributing. I've been contributing as well to getting this great engine to work on several occasions. So once this opens up, like I said, you're going to see here this pan here, which is the introduction to Unreal Engine, and it's a sequence of steps that we're going to all follow, and it's pretty comprehensive. Shout out to the Epic team. Um, Here, and as we see, we're going to start out with this um, introduction here. It says, "Welcome to Unreal Engine 5." So I'm going to pause this video and then start the second sequence so we can understand and go through some of the things here that looks unfamiliar to people there, they're like, whoa, this is a lot. And this is going to be very helpful for us to kind of dig through it step by step on how and building games, which is an exciting time.